Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan and today I'm back with another screen recording so y'all can see we got that up. Of course the giveaway is there if you want to check that down below, it's on my Instagram. But today we're discussing how you all can cop the Off-White Jordan 2 in both colorways that are dropping on Snkrs November 12th. We'll get into all the details about it, how y'all can get them, so I hope y'all will enjoy. If you want more vids like this, of course, feel free to subscribe and like down below. That's what kind of videos we'd be doing, you know, just how to cop, sneaker investing videos, whatever it may be. That's kind of the vibe that we go with. And yeah, we'll be getting into discussing everything we know about this release, basic details to it. So hope you guys will enjoy and let's get into it. So the first things first one I kind of want to mention, and first kind of colorway drop time and the retail, a $250 retail on a pair of Jordan 2s. And I just want to mention, I don't really like these. I don't like these this model. I honestly don't like Jordan 2s in general, so I'm not going to hop on the wave just because it's a pair of off-white sneakers. But I think these look like some bowling shoes. I'm going to stick with my word, stick with what I said. I'm not going to change it up again just because it's a collab, it's closer to drop time, anything like that. I'm only going to go for this release on Snkrs, really. I could have done a backdoor for this release, but it wasn't really around retail price, and I think market is going to shock people a little bit on these. I don't think there's as many people that really want these to wear as people would believe. I think it's mainly a reseller shoe, so we'll kind of be seeing that, I feel like, but there will be people that will wear it, of course. Got our loud trucks on a Sunday in Charleston, but yeah, we got that one right there and this one right here, both dropping again same day. I'll show you all the drop time, just so you know, being legit with y'all. We got some great releases coming up finally. This one had been pushed back 4 times, I think, but we finally got it. And there you go, you can see November 12th right there and November 12th right there. But don't forget the 10 a.m. time, $250 retail will be worth it to get. Any size is the one you could go for, really. Ideally, the best sizes to go for though would be bigger sizes, like above a 10.5 plus. That is usually the best range in terms of profit, if that's again what you're getting the shoe for. So both the colorways right there. What do I think about them? How do I think they look? Honestly, I'm a huge fan of the Chicago colorway, so you know, I mean, they're not calling it that, they're saying it's the white and varsity red, but we know what this is. You know, you got the little signature there. I mean, it is a cool shoe. I kind of like it. I mean, it is a little bit unique in terms of the details, but it's just clown shoes, bowling shoes. Once I heard someone say, you know, you'll be looking like, you know, a bowler with a little bit of an extra paycheck. Once I heard someone say that, I was like, wow, okay, yeah, I'm definitely not wearing these. That'd just be tough to hear. Someone saying you got bowling shoes on, but it doesn't really matter. Wear what you want. If you like them, go get them. And yeah, just to kind of give you all some stock numbers. The stock numbers are similar to the Off-White Jordan 1. Now, of course, the price is not similar. These are already way lower than these, but I just want to show you all kind of stock numbers so you kind of know on Snkrs what we're going to be seeing in terms of stock. So it is fairly healthy. I think 60K is a fair amount. I think that is everywhere though. So throughout Raffles, Snkrs, globally, etc. So it isn't great stock numbers, but for a more hyped release, it's kind of expected. So hopefully they won't push back the release anymore. We've been knowing that it's been November 12th. That's been the leak date for I don't know how long now, but we finally have it confirmed by Nike. And yeah, that's pretty much what I think about the shoe. It's all right, but I think this shoe might break a little bit. Well, it'll never break, like, you know, it's always going to be profitable, but certain sizes might get a little bit closer to retail than you think, like maybe like 370, and we'll get into discussing it. We'll discuss it right now. So these look a lot different in hand too. Like, I'm not a fan of this, like this whole color difference kind of throws me off. But looking into resale right now on these ones, again, the best sizes to go for are going to be a size that is a bigger one, again, above that 10.5. You can see market significantly starts changing. I mean, when you say 11 plus, then you really start seeing a difference. I mean, if you get the rarest size in the shoe, usually the rarest size in most shoes, a 12.5. If you happen to come across and get a 12.5 in the shoe off Snkrs, you better sell it right away, because you'll easily sell the shoe for over $1,000, but that is a very, very, very hard size to get. There's almost no stock in 12.5s. I've never even bothered to try and go for one, so I just kind of for reference. So again, my resale estimate on the shoe, I think once we see the Snkrs releases, more pairs dropping, I think we will see this one. Honestly, I don't think there's too many sales on this one right now either. I mean, there's a couple hundred, I think, going on right now. If we see, yeah, there you go, as I said, a couple hundred. So we got like 200 sales right now, average price around 700. I personally think we'll be seeing these ones, honestly, more or less around a range of 400. Yeah, I'll go with that. I'll say around a range of around $420 to around 700, and I will put a plus in the 700 because, again, I think those sizes like 11 plus 12, I think those ones will be staying at, you know, a much higher price, just because because those are much harder ones to get. And I just want to let you know the back door for this release is wide open, and that's for both colorways too. The resale estimate, I think this one will be going for a little bit less. Like I think we'll be seeing some smaller sizes touching the $300 range for this one, but again, still for those bigger sizes, 11 plus, 12 plus, those ones, I mean, will probably be 600 plus still in both both colorways, just because there is going to be some demand there. There's like a fly that keeps flying in front of my face. I don't know why. Random video interruptions there, but yeah, there you go. It's just another resale estimate right there. I think this is definitely one of the best releases in the last month we've had for resale, so definitely go for it. But if you get it, it's not really a hold in my opinion, unless you're going to hold it long term. Like I think they're trying to bring out the off-white Jordan 2s, or not the off-white Jordan 2, but I think they're trying to bring the Jordan 2 back. I don't know why, but to each its own. If you like Jordan 2s, we got a lot coming up, but maybe Travis Scott Jordan 2. So I don't know if you like that. Good for resellers though, like me. I just don't like Jordan 2s. I like other shoes. But aside from that, another thing, I want to give you all some sneakers tips videos. Of course, if you're trying to cop these off Snkrs, this is my best videos I got on my advice for sneakers. I use these videos. I use these tips. You've seen your boys had some pretty good success recently. Strawberry Coffee, a Pot of Air Max cop, a couple other ones that we've had, some Sneakers Reserves, Nike app cops, like the Brooklyn Dunk Low, those ones we had, the Nets ones. So we've had some decent cops going on, but this one, if you want to check this video down below, this kind of shows you again some sneakers app draw tips you can use that'll kind of help you out. So if you want to check that out, feel free. I don't know what was going on with my voice right there, but that'll be down below. And this one right here just kind of shows you how to make multiple accounts. If you want to make multiple accounts, then this is right here, and you can do that because it's definitely another way, I feel like, to cop. I feel like a lot of people miss out on hitting on sneakers releases just because they don't go for them, and they only go for them on one account also. Like they miss out on them, like they'll sleep through them or something. I'm guilty of that sometimes, but a lot of people, I feel like, only go for a draw on like 1 or 2 accounts when you can be using way more. Like you can make so many more accounts on your computer. So just check that out. It'll be there, and don't miss out on your chance because this is free advice, and I use this. It's better to have like 10 accounts than only have 1, trust me. And as always, I want to give a huge shout out as always to my guys at Secret Sauce right here. These guys can help you cop a variety of different releases. Like I think they might have had some sort of backdoor going on for the Off-White Jordan 2. I'm not sure, but they backdoored the Strawberry Coughs, Mummy Dunks. Like they've been starting to get into that a little bit, which I think is pretty dope. So shout out to them and working, kind of with that. But also they have a variety of things, like they can help you cop PS5, sports cards, Pokemon cards, a variety of profitable things aside from just sneakers, because they can also get you sneakers releases. Like they run bots on the foot sites, help people get dunks and different things like that. Easy releases, whatever it is, it's very useful. And as I mentioned, it is a $60 monthly fee, so it isn't anything too crazy, and you can definitely make that back as long as you engage in the chat, like that important info section, all the different parts. Like I'm always using the important info section. That's the main one I have on. Like I'm always kind of in the ticket section, opening tickets. Like if there's some sort of foot site, release coming up with something, whether it's a restock, if it's like a PS5, I'm always entering in those tickets too, because I'm always trying to cop those. Like PS5s are going to be near probably $1,000 by Christmas time, so I've already got 2 I'm holding on to, and they help me get those for retail, so I appreciate them. They're always giving me kind of that second opportunity with copping things. So if you want to check them out, get those shoe releases, whatever it may be, it's a very simple process, to enter in tickets and do all that. They can show you if you need help. You can open a help ticket. They can help you with learning to buy. Any questions you got, it's really dope. So feel free to check them out, and shout out to Secret Sauce. Just let them know I sent you. If you want to join, go to the Twitter, send them a message, be like, yo, Tristan, send me, or just follow them on Instagram. On Instagram, I don't know what I said there, but follow them on Instagram at Secret Sauce if you want to check them out there. That's the guys I'm doing the giveaway with, so that's all down below. Again, the giveaway is for a pair of Off-White Dunks. Don't miss out on that. And also for the giveaway, if there's been like some sort of fake account like messaging you saying you've won, just ignore it. There's no way to have won the giveaway yet. It's not done yet. The giveaway ends around Thanksgiving, so if there's someone saying you've won, it's no way possible. But yeah, that's just another thing I want to mention, so shout out to them, and I'll always link these 2 down below. I mean, I'm always talking about sneaker news and Raffles sneakers, so this one right here, this will just be down below, again, showing y'all some of the raffles you can enter in if you want to go do that. Go enter in some raffles. It's always a second chance. There's not many for this release again, since stock isn't really like huge. It's like, again, pretty much the same as the Off-White Jordan 1, but the hype is not the same whatsoever. Like people like this shoe, but it's just because it's Off-White, really, not because it's actually something that people are mainly a fan of to wear. But if you want to wear this, that's fine. No offense again. And this one just kind of regurgitates pretty much Raffles sneakers, so I don't even know if I'll link it. There isn't really any foot sites for this shoe. It's just Raffles, a couple of them, so that's everything that'll be mentioned. And yeah, I'll just link this down below. Again, check my 50k giveaway. You can win one of these dunks. Very simple instructions to enter, so go check that down below if you want to. Subscribe and like for videos like this, if this is the content you enjoy. Again, we're always doing how-to cops, sneaker investing videos. That's what we like doing. So if you want to do it, do that. Subscribe, hit that, hit that button. It's road to 100K. We already hit 50, so road to 100 next. We're gonna keep posting good videos. And then what's the other thing? That's one more thing I wanted to say. Oh yeah, if you have any videos you want to see, leave those down below. I'll be taking some requests. So anything you want to see in particular, leave that. I'll be there to answer it or do it in the future. So enough stuttering, enough all that. I'm gonna get a little bit more rest. I woke up early to make this video because why not? And yeah, we'll just get it done. So I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching. This release is cool, but overall, it's just a Jordan 2. A Jordan 2 low too. It's just not good. I'll see you on the next. Peace.